Have you been searching for the perfect compact SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Then take a look at this 2017 Jeep Renegade Latitude in granite crystal metallic. With automatic headlamps, fog and cornering lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, deep tinted sunscreen glass, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 26,000 miles on the odometer, 5-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com. Stock number D5650.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.